Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL NxtPaper, the NES. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then just open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on TCL. Following that, do exactly the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue and allow. From here, you need to choose Send on your Android device and Receive on TCL One. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, for example that one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on TCL, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and then select Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!